All right, guys, so today we're getting crispy parts. We're going to position our client so we can make sure the part is straight, okay? It can be straight but still crooked, but we want it straight. So we're going to take our rat tail comb and we're really going to just go straight across. Look at your client's ear to ear or whatever spot you're in so you can make sure the part is straight, okay? We're going to pull the hairs apart. The Shine and Jam will help you keep those loose hairs that you're parting wherever they need to be at. So if you feel more comfortable going straight across just to get an idea of what you'll be parting, do that. But little bit by little bit, you want to make sure you part some, you comb some, and you lay those hairs down. That is the main reason why we're putting Shine and Jam on your pre-part, okay? This helps with the crispy parting. I don't care how many times you have to go back and pre-part and part again and lay those hairs down. Do what you got to do. Because you see how this is coming out, right? You lay the hairs down, you comb it up, use the rat tail comb, get it crispy. You see that? 2 hairs will throw a whole part off. So if you